Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn how to design a self-introduction worksheet in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First point will be my full name is. Here, you have to write your full name, means your first name along with your surname. Second line, my nickname is dash. Here you will write the name by which your family members or your friends call you. Third point, I am dash years old. Here you have to write your age. Fourth point is my birthday is on dash. Here you have to mention the date on which you were born. Next point is I study in class dash at dash. First you have to write the class in which you study, and secondly you have to write the name of the school in which you study. Line number 6. My favorite subject is dash. Here write your favorite subject amongst your academic subjects. Seventh line, my hobbies are dash. Here you can write any of your hobby or hobbies. Next point, my favorite color is dash. Next point, my favorite food is dash. Line number 10, my best friend's name is dash. Next point, there are dash members in my family. Here, write the number of members in your family. Next line, my father's name is dash and he is a dash. Here, firstly you will write the name of your father, mention the full name of your father, and secondly you have to mention his profession like teacher, engineer, officer, etc. Next point is my mother's name is dash and she is a dash. Here, firstly you will write the full name of your mother, and secondly you will write her profession such as homemaker or teacher or doctor, etc. Next line is, I have brothers or sisters, or you can write that I am the only child, depending upon the number of siblings you have or whether you are the only child of your parents. Line number 15. When I grow up, I want to be a dash. Here, you have to mention your dream profession or the aim of your life. Next line, my biggest dream is dash. Here, mention the biggest dream that you have. Next line, I am good at dash. Here you can mention your hobbies or some activities in which you perform excellent, such as sports or academics, etc. Next line, I want to improve in dash. Here you can mention your weaknesses such as communication or friendliness, etc. You can mention here. Next line, my role model is. Here, write the full name of your role model or the person that you find your idol. Or the person you find as your idol. Last line on line number 20. One thing I want my teacher or friends to know about me is. Here mention a single or multiple speciality of yours.